Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read an essay on ideal student. Let's get started. An ideal student should have many qualities. He should get up early in the morning. He should go for a morning walk every day. He should take care of his health. He should take bath every day. He should wear clean clothes. An ideal student should complete his homework. He should attend the school regularly. He should show good results in the examinations. He should take part in sports and games. An ideal student should give respect to his teachers, parents, and elders. He should love the younger students. He should be humble and polite. He should have good manners. He should go to bed at fixed time. He should get up early. An ideal student should avoid smoking and other evil habits. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.